Hello, today we would like to demonstrate the top 3 widgets for this Vivo X80 Pro smartphone. So first of all, choose any vacant spot you have on any of your home screens. Tap and hold in order for this additional menu to appear. Next, you want to tap on the widgets, and here we have all the widgets that are currently available to us, which are divided into convenient categories. So the first widget I would highly recommend on adding is the very necessary clock widget, which you can choose from the clock section, obviously, or clock category, or there is also the design available at the iWidget section, which contains not only clock, which shows the current time, but also the brief weather summary, just like so. And me personally, I'll go ahead and choose this design, so I'll tap and hold at the widget and choose the place where I want to have this widget. So let's say right here should be a perfect spot. Let's add the city, so it will actually show the weather data to us. So we'll agree, add the current location, allow the location permission, and I guess once we'll get back to the home screen, you gotta show the city, or actually let's go ahead and add the city manually. It will be way quicker. Just like so. And now if we'll go and get back to the home screen, we'll see that the widget shows the weather summary. So right now it is 31 degrees. Alrighty, so moving on to the second widget, which is located at the Google category, and it is a search bar. So let's go ahead and add it as well. I'll place it right here, for example. After we edit the widget, we can tap and hold on it and regulate its size, just like so. So if you would like to make it smaller, you can do so pretty easily. Or, opposite, you want to make it bigger, or should I say wider, you can also do that. And the final and third widget we would like to show you in this video, that you would recommend that you add, is the very convenient calendar widget. There are two designs to choose from. You can either go with the compact view or the full scale one. I'll go with the compact design because, compact design is way more convenient, and leave it right here. So basically, this widget will display everything that is added to the calendar, including events, reminders, celebrations, holidays, and etc. Therefore, it will make sure that you will not miss or forget about anything important that is added to the calendar, basically. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.